initiating this. This marathon is not only about running; it's about breaking the stigma and create awareness about menstrual health. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम सबको भी we have to be very normal about these things because it's not a issue. It's something it's a natural thing, and it's our responsibility and it's our duty to make it normal. And to all the women out there, I would love to tell them to stay free, stay strong, and don't be ashamed of having an open discussion and open conversations on these things, because it's our responsibility to make them feel free, to talk about it as boys and as men. It's our responsibility to make them feel they can talk about it, and also it's their responsibility to be very open about these things and discuss all about the menstrual health. It's natural, and we should not take it as a क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि not in the big cities, but when you go to the smaller cities or small town, there the mentality is different. So I just want to give them a message कि it's a natural thing, it's a natural process, so we all should accept it, and we should help them, support them.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मेहनत लगती है ऐसा कोई जो होता है ना इनिशिएटिव टू पुट इट अप. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लाई. और ऐसे हमेशा लगता है कि द ऑप्शन इज ऑलवेज देयर कि ठीक है काम हो रहा है, ठीक है घर चल रहा है, लाइफ में सब ठीक है, तो करने की ज़रूरत आपको कब लगता है कि आपको वो ज़रूरत कब उठती है. एंड आई फील दैट as people, as women, when you have a voice, you want to raise it for whatever reason. कई बार अपने आप के लिए, कई बार अपने काम के लिए, कई बार अपनी फैमिली के लिए, और बहुत कम बार मौके मिलते हैं जब आप बदलाव के लिए अपनी आवाज़ उठा सकते हैं. मुझे एक ऐसा मौका मिला ऑलमोस्ट 8 या 9 महीने पहले हमने ये प्लान किया था. और आज जब लोग मैराथन के लिए आते हैं सुबह सुबह उठ के, जब इतने सारे लोग आते हैं, इतने सारे लोग सोच रहे हैं घर में बैठ के कि हम आए या ना आए, और फिर और भी ज़्यादा लोग हैं जो सोचते भी नहीं है इसके बारे में उनको इतना पता नहीं है, इतना एहसास नहीं होता till they grow older. I feel like when they get older, I hope they focus on the good stuff that I have done, all the right messaging that I've given back to society. But I can't do any of that without the support of my husband. I can't do any of that without the upbringing that my parents have given me. And सबसे ज़रूरी बात होता है that for every working woman out there, and more than anything else, for every working mother out there, she's empowered by two things: by the love and safety of her children, and most importantly, by the support of her husband. Luckily, I am somebody who has a husband who's so supportive. And if it wasn't for him saying that, yes, you go out there, you do what you have to do, and I will fill the space for both of us when you're not around, and likewise for him when he's not there, jab wo kaam pe jate hain, I do the same. And I just feel that a very large part of all of us existing and being empowered and feeling enabled professionally is because of the support we have at home from our husbands.
Wow.